All right, welcome back. Today's Throwback Thanksgiving is far from over. Remember, everything that you been watching, you can go ahead and scan that QR code. It'll be available to you. We asked our incredible chefs for one thing, guys. This is one little piece of advice. You know, less than 30 seconds. Don't give us the whole life story. we want to get everybody into, so we'll go down the line. Give us one piece of advice to make Thanksgiving smooth for people who are watching at home. Hetty, we'll start with you. Hetty McKinnon.
Well, I say skip cooking breakfast. Skip cooking breakfast and just grab something out of the freezer and heat it up.
I love that. That is fantastic. All right, Stefano Secchi.
I say ice, salt, and a little bit of white wine and/or beer. My brother brews beer in Dallas, Texas, and so if you want to chill it down really quickly, that's the way to do it.
Oh, that's a good tip. That's a pro tip. Anna Castro.
Don't give anyone your nice Tupperware. Don't give it. Because you'll be chasing you down forever. I don't want to be chasing you down my Tupperware. So just buy deli containers. Yeah. Buy deli containers.
That is great. All right, go ahead. We've got Camile Broussard, of course.
So I would say, baking and cooking can be very meditative. So why not add some music?
Okay.
Get in the mood.
Okay, a little Al Green maybe, the way you're moving over there. Rick Martinez. Go ahead, Rick.
Okay, so save all that leftover bread throughout the year, throw it in the freezer, and then pull it out a couple of weeks before and use that to make your toasted bread cubes for that stuffing.
Pro tip there. Jordan Andino.
Yes.
Okay, so I would say get help where you can, and it's a really great way to have your kids involved if you want to help, if you want some help cooking. Do it in a safe way. Have the mashed potatoes. You take your baked potato, slice them in half lengthwise, upside down on a cooling rack. Go down like that, the potato comes out, the peel stays out, and it's
beautiful.
easy, and you can help,
nice.
and you have mash.
Pro tip. Bricia Lopez.
Label your stuff. So I like to put out all of my dishes out on the table, make sure it looks nice. I think I got that tip from you, Martha, actually. And label everything because she needs to get organized before serving dinner. Like this. See? I like little post-it note insert.
Very good. Thank you. Eddie Masih.
Pre-batch your drinks. Everyone wants a drink right when they get in, so pre-batch your drinks and ask them to bring ice. You never have enough ice in the freezer.
Good call. Shawnae Dixon.
And this is all very beautiful. Once you've done everything for your family, make sure, because giving is big to me, it can't be Thanksgiving without giving. So grab a can or a cup or something and get it.
Did I miss Jordan down there?
Yeah, I'm right here next to Martha. It's okay.
That's what happened. Okay.
Wait, where am I?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. I would say there's a lot of appliances, people, so don't put everything into the oven. Use your toaster oven, your microwave, your stovetop. Use all the appliances, and that'll help you save time.
Excellent job. Some good pro tips right there. These guys are coming back more in the third and fourth hours. You can scan that QR code for all these recipes. My man. This is my man. So much.
Oh, Martha's got her crown on.
Thanksgiving.
Oh, hell.
Oh, hail the queen. Does anybody not have turkey on Thanksgiving?
I don't.
Okay, I know you don't.
Wow.
What do you have instead?
Gumbo.
Gumbo. You?
Chicken.
Okay. What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Like fried chicken?
Roasted
chicken. Okay. What?
A lot of vegetables.
What's what?
Duck.
Oh, duck. What are you?
I raised ducks.
Okay, fine. Oxtail. Okay, you're doing what? Don't lie. No.
Fried turkey.
Fried turkey.
Fried turkey, too.
Pillowcase turkey.
Oh.
All right, guys. Time to say goodbye. A big round of applause for all of our chefs. Cheers. And to our cooking crew and our floor director. This has been like herding cats. Happy Thanksgiving. We're back after local news.